Huntrix is on its world tour, but it looks like they're making a pit stop. Here's hoping you girls have a safe landing. Quick, somebody catch them! Wow, Heaven's missing 3 little angels. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Huntrix to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Uh-oh, we kind of forgot about the interior. Unless, of course, you're into early Halloween. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Seriously, we're only a few minutes into this video. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Uh-oh, I think they took that as a challenge. What could be behind all these bugaboos? Should have known. Chinu, he's back. In bee form. I think we Ma demoted the Saja boys. Ooh, but they're still too cute to swat. Maybe a little paper craft is what we need. Just remember, sometimes it's easy being green. Especially when you put a nice face on things. Bugs beware, a hungry frog! And he comes with a long tongue. Gotta catch 'em all. To think, soon we could start our own hive. You bees should know you can't mess with a queen. Wow, Huntrix is huge. They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussy is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Whoa, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Huntrix can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. I think you girls earned a treat. Make sure to leave a tip. It's math class, so how about a calculator? Can't forget the numbers. Or symbols. Just make sure you use edible ink. Now let's see if it passes inspection.
What?
Well, let's see if it can do equations. It can. Oh, just what can't candy do? Of course, the real test is in the taste. And it looks like it passes with flying colors. Here, why don't you try for yourself? Marshmallows. But it's still math class. Uh-oh, it looks like someone forgot to study last night. But maybe those braids of yours can help. Wait a minute, these are marshmallow too!
Hey!
Oh no!
And you're not a real blonde either.
Uh-oh.
We better hide the squishies before he notices. Let's leave this stuffing for the squirrels. Besides, we can use them for a new craft. Just add toothpicks. Soon, you've got a zoo. I mean, sure, candy's not allowed in here, but I'm sure art class projects are okay. Wow, good thing he forgot this was math class. So, why don't we sneak in a few bites? You just know this is how he saves on snacks. Always gotta trick up your sleeve, I see. Okay, everybody, take out your notebook. It's time for your daily journal entry. Hold on, he's being called away on an anti-candy seminar. Which means all that candy's left unguarded.
Wow. Come on.
Grab a balloon. We're gonna need a lot of hot air. Next, add some blue paint. We're making a decoy globe. This girl really is a woman of the world. Now ditch the real one and get into place. Guess that lecture on marzipan ran longer than expected. Now why don't we sneak in a quick treat? And it looks like you're in good company. But some people just can't handle the tooth.
Ouch!
Ooh, they say the world's a scary place, but not quite like this. It's gym class. Let's warm up with push-ups. Wow, all this exercise is sure paying off. You're already sporting a six-pack. Hold on, it's your secret stash. Well, you need energy. But candy's not allowed in this class either. Don't worry, she snuck in popcorn, caramel popcorn. And what can't be improved by chocolate spread? Something tells me she's got something in mind. A football. Pigskin without the pig. Or skin. But there's plenty of pop to go around.
Hey!
Uh-oh, quick, go long! Forward pass, other sports term. Ooh, now that's what I call a fumble. Poor thing, you've earned a little treat. You'll never pass the bar with behavior like this, young lady. Here, let her help you with your lipstick. I think she's got some secret plans for it. First, we need some pink chocolate. Add some heat, let it melt, and stir things up. Now pour it into an empty lipstick tube. Try it out. And how about a quick nibble? Silence! The artiste is showing you his process. Start with basic shapes, like triangles and squares. And voila! You've got a palatial estate! Guess an artist can't reveal all their secrets. Well, why don't we craft something more our own style? Simple recipe. Mix some yogurt with colorful candies. Oh, and we can't forget our special brush. Wow, you sure have one refined palette. Don't forget, the world is just full of colors. Just make sure to save some for your canvas. Looks like you made backup brushes. Good idea. This looks great, and it smells amazing. Ooh, she really gets into art. Blue, her favorite flavor. Her friends, too. Sorry, young lady. Hand it over. Well, I guess that works. He's taking this. Don't worry, she's gonna return the favor. This may look like an ordinary glue stick. And it is. But we can make a few adjustments. Empty it and fill it up with taffies. Just trim off all that excess glop. Here, why don't you take things for a quick spin? You know, I've heard of eating glue before, but I think this is an even better idea. Perfect thing to get out of a sticky situation. She really knows how to get into a good book. Uh-oh, secrets always have a way of coming out.
Hey!
Don't worry, she's got backups, like rice paper. Just make sure to add some lines. A little hole punching won't hurt either. You know, those red highlights are candy too. The perfect thing to run through this paper. Who can resist making a fruity look for each hole? Use some edible ink to draw some pictures. I wouldn't take notes. This thing isn't gonna last. Honestly, it's a shame something looks this good. Especially when it tastes even better.
Hey.
Looks like someone could use your help. Good thing there's plenty to go around. Careful, don't want to be caught passing notes. But you'll be surprised at how good it is going down. I know a lot of things have been candy today, but I don't think that includes those pencils.
Ew.
That said, today is all about candy. So I think it's time we get cracking. We can whip up something nice and sturdy. We just need a bunch of Pocky cookie sticks. Plus a marshmallow eraser to cushion things up.
Wow.
The best part? We can still write with it. Just remember to only eat from the opposite side. With pencils this good, it pays to have a spare.